When disaster strikes, it doesn't wait for you to be ready. Would you survive a flood, earthquake, or hurricane tonight? Stick around, because I'm breaking down the essential gear that could save your life. Natural disasters are increasing in frequency and impact, and no one's immune. Whether you live in the city or the mountains, being prepared with the right gear means the difference between panic and survival. Let's start with shelter. In a blackout or evacuation, you might need to stay warm, dry, and mobile. A compact tarp or emergency bivvy. Mylar survival blankets, lightweight and heat reflective. Portable tent or pop-up shelter. Bonus pack hand warmers and a wool hat. Hypothermia doesn't need snow to kill. Water is your next priority. A Life Straw or Sawyer. Mini lets you drink from any water source. Collapsible water containers for storage. Water purification tablets for backup. In any disaster, access to clean water is one of the first things to go. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Next up, calories. High-calorie emergency ration bars provide 2,400 to 3,600 kilocalories per pack. Freeze-dried meals are also a good option, but make sure you have a compact stove or jet boil to prepare them. And don't forget utensils, a can opener, and a metal cup for boiling. Nightfall in a disaster zone? You'll want a headlamp, hands-free light is a game changer, a solar-powered flashlight or battery bank, and a crank radio. Some models even charge your phone and alert for emergency weather. In chaos, communication is key. An emergency whistle, a waterproof notepad and pencil, pre-downloaded offline maps, and two-way radios, or a Baofeng ham radio if you're serious. Every kit needs medical, a trauma-ready first aid kit, tourniquet, gauze, antiseptic, and N95 mask for smoke or debris, gloves, bandages, and personal medications. Customize your kit based on region and risks. Being prepared isn't paranoia, it's protection. These aren't luxury items. This is life-saving gear. If you want more hands-on reviews, real-life survival lessons, and gear lists you can trust, hit that subscribe button, because survival starts before the storm hits.